Hello and welcome to this new video on how to send video from Dropbox to email. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. You just have to click on the search bar and type Dropbox and press enter in the keyboard. And the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Dropbox. Just click on it and Dropbox interface will be opened. And when you have logged in and signed up successfully, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be an Dropbox text and its icon. So you just have to click on it and you will be able to access the home of the Dropbox. Now in order to send the video from Dropbox to email, you just have to hover around the video that you want to send and there will be an share button. You just have to click on the share button. After that, a pop-up box will appear. Now you just have to write the email of the person whom you want to send that particular video. And when you have added that mail, now you just have to click on the share file and the mail will be sent or the link will be sent. So this is how to send video from Dropbox to email. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.